Hi everyone, I'm sure many of you, especially if you are watching this, have seen ads for these cheap and extremely large capacity portable SSD drives that are for sale. They've got ads running on Instagram, they've got them running on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, and on many other places, and I wondered if these were real. I mean, it's hard enough to get a disk drive with a 16 terabyte capacity, and these things are tiny, they're light, they look pretty nice actually. So it would be amazing as a large capacity external storage that anybody can carry around. And as somebody who is naturally skeptical, I wondered what was the deal with it. So I decided to buy a pair. Why a pair? Well, mainly because they were so cheap, and buying a pair allows me to make a mistake while I'm trying to open them or experimenting with them. Plus, to be honest, part of me did wish that they really did have this large capacity and become useful for me. But I was wrong, and I can confirm these are scams. Do not buy them. You will end up with some more e-waste that you're not going to be able to use for anything else. Stay tuned and watch me open this sucker up. Now, I initially wasn't planning on making a video on these, but because I was kind of out of footage for new videos, I've been busy at work, and I needed to satisfy my video production itch. And while I was doing some tidying up of my tech drawer, I found these that have been sitting in a drawer for a few months now. So I don't really have any unboxing footage or footage of me trying to use them since I didn't record any. So this video will just focus on me physically opening them and seeing what's inside. But just to brief you, they came in cheap looking paper box and covering a thin plastic shaped container that they went into. And it came with a small USB-C to USB-A cable with an adapter so that you can use the USB side of it with on a USB-C device. One of the first things I did was plug them into my risky business computer, which is a cheap computer that I use just for things I don't really trust. And in this case, of course, the question that I had to answer was, what's the catch? Assuming this thing is really 16 terabytes, why would they sell it so cheap? So of course, a rubber ducky attack came to mind, which is why I was very cautious with it. I didn't want to infect any weird malware on my computers or on my PCs. But they did seem clean though, so I didn't have to worry about that. I then opened the drive properties windows for the drives, and sure enough, it showed it as being 16 terabytes, which is pretty interesting. I tried copying a few files onto it, and they seemed to copy. But I was still suspicious, of course, so I decided I would fill them up with 16 terabytes and see what happens. So I started to copy about 100 gigabytes of videos that I had somewhere else. And this is really where the scam started to unravel. Because first of all, the write speed was so slow that Windows estimated it would take about 60 days to copy the files. So I stopped there and didn't try. It was pretty clear they were useless, at least for what I needed them for anyway. So I put these things into my small gadget drawer and forgot about them until probably a few days ago when I was doing some tidying up, and I decided I would throw them out. And this is when I decided to make this video and started recording. So as you can see, there is a plastic drawer slipped into an aluminum case, and there is no clean way to separate them. So I had to drill a small hole on one side, then use this small prying tool to break the plastic out. And as you can see, the plastic came apart in many pieces, and eventually I was able to pull out the contents. And this is where the real surprise actually came in. This is a small circuit board with an SD card inserted into it. Okay, so a 16 terabyte SD card. I've never heard of such a thing. So I took out the SD card to look for any markings, and no markings that would indicate the size of the card. So I put the SD card into a reader to see what my computer says about them, and this is what I saw. Yes, it's a strange capacity SD card, just under 62 gigabytes. So I assume at one point it was supposed to be a 64 gigabyte card. And it's a cheap looking card too. So to be honest, I wouldn't even trust using it in any of my devices so I don't lose any of the media that I have. So the only thing that I can think of is that the small circuit and chip have something that tricks any connecting device into thinking that this is a 16 terabyte drive, while in reality it's actually just a 64 SD card. So I really don't know how it would have acted once we fill it up with above 64 gigabytes, but I don't have the patience to try and find out. So there you have it, folks. It's a scam. I don't know why platforms allow for this type of scam, but these rely on people never reporting what they get, and it's cheap enough that most people are not going to feel too suckered by it. So when you see these, just run, walk away. Don't buy them. Don't do anything else with them. They're just one big scam. Thanks for watching, and if you do like this video, do consider hitting the like or subscribing or even leaving a comment. Thanks so much.